know that? Without World War II, refrigerator may not be in your kitchen. In the early 1820s, both Oliver Evans and Michael Faraday made a prototype for cooling. However, the father of the fridge credits goes to Jacob Perkins, who in 1835 made the first vapor compression cycle machine, which known as refrigerator now. But refrigerators were extremely expensive and dangerous for decades because of toxic gas used until World War II, where the refrigeration technology accelerated to provide military medicine, food supply, and logistics, which led to make refrigerators affordable for all ordinary homes